Welcome. In front of me is an HTC U24 Pro, and today I will show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and then once you have your boot options, you want to hold power off. This, as you can see, changes into safe mode. You want to confirm it by selecting OK, and simply wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, now that the device booted back up, we are in safe mode, which you can see the watermark right here in the corner. And you can also see on your end, probably more than on mine, a bunch of applications that just kind of look like this, monochrome. So these are all the apps that are disabled in this mode. And if you try to open them up, you can see we'll get this pop-up, downloaded apps disabled in the safe mode. And there's a couple more on the other page right here. So obviously this mode is designed for troubleshooting, so that's why it's kind of disabling these applications, as some of them might sometimes cause you some problems. So in safe mode, that would not be possible. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, simply hold your power button and volume up again, and this time around you just select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. And with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.